the variation of product PV of pressure and volume with pressure P for a fixed mass of an ideal gas at constant temperature is best represented by. We know that for an ideal gas, if the temperature is constant, PV product should be constant. Then it should be a graph like this. Then answer is 5. Consider the following statements made about absolute zero temperature. Statement A, it is the temperature at which water freezes at atmospheric pressure. No, it is 0 Celsius, not absolute zero. Absolute zero means 0 Kelvin. B, it is the temperature at which all gases become liquid. It is false. We know that gas to liquid point is boiling point. It is depending on corresponding gas, not absolute zero. Statement C, it is the temperature at which mean kinetic energy of an ideal gas becomes zero. Yes, it is correct. We know that according to Boltzmann law, kinetic energy is 2/3 kT. It is depending on absolute temperature. When absolute temperature is 0, kinetic energy should be 0. Only C is true. Then second one is the correct answer. 15. The length of a uniform glass tube AB sealed at both ends is 100 centimeters. It is kept horizontally and 10 centimeters long mercury column is strapped at the middle. When both air columns are temperature 27 degrees and same pressure. If the temperature of the air column P and Q increase 47 and 127, what will be the difference between lengths of two air columns? Neglect the expansion of mercury and glass. We know that initially there is a constant pressure in both sides. For the final situation, same thing, there is a constant pressure in both sides. But we know that this temperature is smaller than this one. Therefore, this mercury column should move in this direction. I will consider moved distance is x. Then we can get length of this air column for the final situation. Initially, total length 100, mercury length 10 centimeters. Therefore, this part should be 45 and this part should be 45 centimeters in initial situation. For final situation, this length should be 45 minus x and this length should be 45 plus x. Then we can get there is the same pressure in both sides for the final situation. Then we can get, we know that PV over T is constant. Then we can subject P equals T over V times constant. There is the same pressure. Therefore, we can get these values are constant. T over V value is constant. Temperature for the final situation 47 degrees Celsius. We can convert it to Kelvin, 320 Kelvin. Divide by, we have to get volume. We know that volume is directly proportional to the length. Then length 45 minus 6. It should be equal to temperature in this side 127 degrees. It is 400 Kelvin. Divide by 45 plus 6. Now we can find x value. Divide by 8, 5, divide by 8, 4. 5 into 45, 5 into 5, 25, 2 remaining, 5 into 4, 20 plus 2, 22, minus 5x equals 4 into 5, 20, 0, 2 remaining, 4 into 4, 16 plus 2, 18, plus 4x. Then we can simplify it. 225 minus 180. 5, 12 minus 8, 4. 45 equals 9x. Then x should be 5 centimeters. Therefore, final length of this part, 45 minus x means 40 centimeters. And final length of this part is 45 plus 5, it is 50 centimeters. Then difference is 10 centimeters. It is the answer. Then we can get fourth one is correct.